Let's find answer to Benji's question and explore the other views available in Power BI's interface.
If you want to see the full tables, head over to the left side of your screen. You'll see 4 little icons stacked vertically. The middle one, which looks like a table, that's your data view. Let's click on it. This is where you can explore your dataset and see your full tables. On the right, you'll see the table names and columns. In the middle, you can look at the individual rows and columns of your data. And from the top of your screen, you can even make calculations and add columns if you need it. Below that is the model view. If you have more than one table like we do and you want to connect them, you can use the model view. Power BI also automatically picks up the relations between the tables. As you can see, in this case, the order and order details table have been connected using the order ID. The properties pane to the right gives more details about the relationship. And beside that, the data pane shows you the table and column. The Model Explorer tab next to it helps you organize and see all the components of your data model, like tables, relationships, and measures, which are custom calculations, for example, your totals or averages. So all in all, it shows how your data is connected and used behind the scenes. You don't need to worry about it right now, but know that this is where Power BI organizes how your data works together. So essentially, Model View helps you to define relationships between tables and to see how Power BI understands how your data is connected. And finally now, the DAX Query View. In this view, you can see and work with DAX queries. DAX is Power BI's powerful formula language. These queries will help you fetch and view data from a model in Power BI. They work like a question. So when you ask the system to return specific information, it will give you that information, but it won't change the data or create new visuals. We have this sample code written in the middle. So let's run it. Okay, now we see the results, which are the first 100 rows from order details table. In the similar fashion as model view, on the right we have the data pane with table and model explorer tabs giving us information about the table and column names and the data model. Moving on to the top, we have a ribbon with options that helps us write and format the code better. Okay, let's head back to the report view.
Wow, this is pretty cool. Power BI seems like it's got everything I need to turn data into insights.
Yes, and turning data into insights is exactly what we are going to do in the next module.